this is Fai, and today I want to share with you guys this Y2K makeup look tutorial, which is the current hot trend nowadays. I'm not gonna lie, this makeup is really easy. If you want to know how to do it, watch this video until the end. And now, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to apply a pink undertone foundation which has a gluey finish all over my face evenly. And you can skip this step if you don't have dark circles, but I have to use the cream concealer to cover my dark circles. Next, I'm gonna set the concealer by using a blue powder to make it stay longer. Now, I'm going to draw the eyebrows. For this look, make sure not to draw the thick eyebrows. Just follow your natural eyebrow shape. Do not make it too thin as well, since it's going to look like the 90s makeup. Now let's make the face look more dimensional. I'm gonna start from applying the shading powder onto the side of my nose. And then apply a little bit around the area between the eye and the tip of the eyebrows. This technique will make the face look narrower. And as always, let's apply some shading powder under the jawline and the side of the face. Apply more around the cheekbones if you have high cheekbones like me. Moving on to the eye makeup, I'm going to apply the base color first onto my upper and lower lid. Next, I'm going to apply a dusty pink color onto my eyelids and blend it out evenly like this. Let's apply the apple shaped blush by using the same color. Apple blush is the shape of the blusher when you apply it right beneath your eyes, like this. It's often connected to the eye makeup like this. Let's apply a little bit onto the nose as well. Next, I'm gonna take the brown eyeshadow and apply it along the upper lash line and then blend it inwards at the other field like this.
Don't wanna try again, I'm alright, I'm alright. Don't gotta try again.
Next, I'm gonna apply a shimmery eyeshadow onto the middle part of my eyelids.
I'm so tired.
Next, I'm gonna rim my eyes with a tea brown eyeliner. Do not drag the tail too long at the end. And line the waterline as well to make the eyes look more defined. Draw a short line at the other corner like this to make the eyes look longer if you have brown eyes. Let's finish up their makeup by applying mascara and false lashes. Make sure to apply the mascara onto the upper and lower lashes. Now I'm going to apply some highlighter onto the center features of my face. gonna add some glitter as an accent near the tear duct like this.
I'm alright. Don't wanna try again. I'm alright. I'm alright. I'm alright. Don't gotta try again. I lost my mind.
Next, I'm gonna use a glitter pen liner to create the eye also.
I don't feel the same. I'll never feel the same. 'Cause that was yesterday.
And last, I'm going to create a natural nude glowy lips by mixing two products. This will complete the Y2K makeup. It's really easy, right? Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Please let me know what you think about this makeup look in the comments below. If you want to see more videos from me, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button to get the notification. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Swipe left, swipe right.